Bitcoin, should we buy or should we sell? You want to know the last information about the crypto world? Smash the like button. It's time for crypto news, crypto to the max. Bitcoin going down after we reach mostly $94,000, just 6% away, 200K. You can see here, people, how we're trying to push that line like crazy. And also, Michael Saylor is just planning the 100K party for New Year's Eve. We are watching all the crypto bros going over there in their Porsches, Ferraris, and Lamborghinis. But, well, maybe the Bullrun it's over and now we are crypto winter again or not. So right now, should we buy or should we sell? That's something you might consider, but we just told you about this 8 months ago when we have a previous high for Bitcoin. So if you want to really know my strategy about this, my thoughts about if you should really buy right now or sell, everybody asking me if this is a good time, well, go to the video. There you have exactly according to the crypto you have, when and what you should sell, if that's the case, according to this theory. And also this one would divide the rally into weeks and you will sell a percentage through that all period of time. Also, Chico Crypto told us about his strategy, selling a percentage once Bitcoin reached 125K. So he's still waiting for Bitcoin to sell. And also he told us about other altcoins like meme coins, crazy stuff like that, where, well, you will wait till you have 3x and then start selling. Again, you can know the whole thing. I'm going to leave you the link in the description below right now. So if you are concerned about selling right now, here two strategies that might be of your interest. And back and today actuality and why Bitcoin is going down. Well, remember we have dollar going up. That's not a good thing. And we have some bad data from United States. One day we had good one, the next day we have bad one from the PPI and also from the US labor market. So yeah, stock market went down a little bit. We have some dramas out there, but even though we still have a gap in the futures in the CME, for me, the thing that CME is in 95.75, 94.75, so that's more than Bitcoin in spot right now, is a hint that we might go higher with Bitcoin, even though the situation right now seems is not gonna. But we have huge information out there, like for example, Donald Trump is considering 0% capital gains on crypto. That would be amazing. That would be amazing, so that people don't have to fly far away in order to stop paying crazy taxes. This will include projects such as Bitcoin, ADA, Algo, XRP, XLM, and HBAR. Why? Because he's gonna do this with projects created in United States. So at the beginning, at the very foundation of the project, those have to be in United States soil. So interesting. Also, some crypto companies probably moving into United States because of this policy. Consider also this huge information. Pennsylvania's House of Representatives introduced a bill to establish a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Amazing. And here, Novograd telling us that a US strategic Bitcoin reserve will send Bitcoin to 500K as the rest of the world is forced to act. Not just that, for today's thoughts, consider that this might be good to China. Thing is that if United States is pushing the crypto sphere, China isn't going to be left behind. Of course, they are still pushing, but they might open to retail also in China. That would be huge. Consider that the next US Attorney General is a big fan of El Salvador. Maybe finally Nayib Bukele and El Salvador is going to get the credit they deserve. Goldman Sachs just disclosed owning 710 million Bitcoin through ETFs, sex feelings. which is also crazy. And maybe soon enough, we're going to say goodbye to Gary Gensler. We don't like you whatsoever. 18 US states are suing the SEC for unconstitutional overreach and unfair persecution of the crypto industry under Gary Gensler. This is Fox Business, and yeah, you can see that maybe we have this rumor that Gary Gensler is resigning in hours or days. A lot of changes are going to be made by Donald Trump in the government, and some of those changes are going to affect the market, suspect volatility. Like, for example, pharmaceutical stocks fall after President-elect Trump names RFK Jr. as Secretary of Health and Human Services. Why is this huge? Well, consider this picture from Elon Musk. The big government machine is afraid. Why? Because they were in government for a long time and they don't want to go, but we need them to go in order to make things more efficient. People are tired of paying taxes for nothing, and that's over. I think that little by little everybody is waking up, and we don't want that anymore. So you're gonna hear a lot of crazy stuff about Donald Trump and about his decisions. Consider from time to time that there's the other side, people that are scared because they are going to lose privileges, and yeah, they don't want that. Any case, also you might consider that the ETFs are going down. We have outflows, but if you zoom out, you need to know that Bitcoin ETFs surpassed 500 billion in cumulative trading volume in just 10 months. That's the fastest growing ETF in history. So amazing. Also, it's amazing and interesting this graph from Visa. We have stable coins going crazy up. Also, the use of Bitcoin more than PayPal, more than remittances, etc., etc. So amazing. Also, federal agencies in electronics from Polymarket CEO Shane Copland's after platform predicted Trump's elections win. So you can see that crypto is getting really interesting. Also, this tool, Polymarket, for predictions, and they are investigating. So still, we might have some black swan or crazy stuff about the crypto elections. Who knows? They might kill Donald Trump. They might say that the election was rigged and Kamala might be still president. Well, we'll see about that. But people right now really happy with Donald Trump, like the Hack 2 girl. She's thanking Donald Trump and Michael Saylor for changing her life. She decided to invest a little bit in Bitcoin, and she did very well. We created a video about this girl and why this is important, and also important that she's talking about Bitcoin to her huge audience out there. Even OpenAI, even Sam Altman was all into crypto. Now we know that Sam Altman wanted to create an ICO for OpenAI. Elon Musk didn't want to. So amazing. And Bitcoin needs to find support maybe in the $88,000 in order to keep on going higher. Again, we have a gap in the CME's futures, but those are up, and you need to consider, just zooming out, that it took Bitcoin more than 10 years to reach to 10K. But now we did 10K in just 1 week. So maybe you're not just bullish enough. Are you in the string read? Well, the market is. And we are following path 2020, 2016, and you know it. And here you can see how accurate this is. We need to rest a little bit with Bitcoin, Ethereum going down at the same time, and then altcoins will pump, Ethereum will pump, everything will pump next year, of course. Consider that the number of Bitcoin new addresses is rapidly increasing. That means retail coming into the sphere. And if you want to buy some crypto, well, you have Coinbase, Binance, links in the description below. Those would be my fair choices. Then you need to track with your portfolio, 10% discount if you use coin tracking, of course, or you can use a Trezor and a Ledger, and that way you have a cold wallet where you can self-custody and store your crypto. The bubbles mostly in the red, but you can see XRP, HBAR, in the green, those that are created in United States, and we told you about this. And you can see how XRP is going up. And why, you ask me in the comment below. Well, because of the regulatory clearance. Right now, without Gary Gensler out there, well, the lawsuits we have against XRP, those might be over, and then XRP might explode. Still, maybe for a little period of time. Also XLM, always so close in its future to XRP, is going up, but I will not recommend myself buying this. In fact, if I go to the price I bought it, I might still start selling it. I want Bitcoin, I want Ethereum. Right now, I'm an OG in crypto and I don't want any other cryptos. Tron is in an all-time high. It reached it here in this exchange. So yeah, some altcoins are gonna go to all-time highs and you have to decide whether to sell them or not. Also, Sui is doing very well, and maybe you can catch one of these opportunities like this girl. Which crypto are you going to buy? This one? No, this one. No, this one. No, the other one. No, none of them. The disaster, just like myself. Consider the technology and the development we have out there. Now we know that Donald Trump intends on having ID for next elections, and we have rumors that those might be with ADA or HBAR. The technology that is underneath might be that one. That's why Cardano is going up 0.65 again. And if you needed a signal that ADA is going to the moon, where we have just costing floor on SpaceX, so friends with Elon Musk. Come with us, validate if you have ADA with us in the pool Fanon. That's the official one, and you help the channel. Thank you very much. Pepe, Sol, ADA, XRP, so listed on Robinhood, and that also a piece of information that made the price of these cryptocurrencies go higher. Dogecoin closer to the $1. We'll see about that. And now Litecoin, jealous of all that fast, that wants to be considered a meme coin so that it can pump again. But, well, jokes aside, remember this chart we created long time ago? What would happen after the halving for Litecoin? And it followed the chart like crazy, and it did again. So if that's the case, if this chart keeps on working, March 2025 will be the moment for Litecoin. Again, I will not buy Litecoin, and if I'm close to my position where I enter, I might sell almost all of it. If you wanna watch that video and my thoughts, just type Litecoin in the search box in our channel and you can find it. Also, I'm gonna leave you the link in the description below to the video. Consider the way, the path for Bitcoin into the 100K. We are still on track. Remember that we told you we might have some of these ups and downs before December the 13th, where we will be in 100K allegedly. Also, remember this chart, 2016, we are so high, we might have this pullback. We are going to have pullbacks along the way, expect them. But also remember that we are going to have very good weeks ahead of us if we follow what we told you in previous videos. Just watch them all. The last weeks from 41 to 46 have been in the green, but this one, the 43rd. What about Ethereum? Ethereum is going down $3,000, and maybe that's good. Why? Because we are so close of closing the gap of the CME futures. So maybe after that, Ethereum can go higher. In just a couple of days, Ethereum surpassed Johnson & Johnson and Netflix. But some people believe that we are going to be all like this Vitalik Buterin before Ethereum hits $5,000. What do you think about that? Leave a comment below. Thank you very much. Bitcoin needs to create a breakout so we have new all-time highs. And any case, if you are in doubt, just watch this monthly chart. It's amazing how high Bitcoin is already. And now about your comments. Well, some people say that when I say, okay, Google, I activate your assistant. So just for fun, I'm going to say, okay, Google, reach for fun on the right on the internet. And some homework to do this weekend. You have to watch IKER Jiménez show so you know about ENG Bank and how your money can be or can't be blocked in your banks, why you need to be a sovereign individual, why you need to have your money into Bitcoin, and how again people is tired of paying taxes so that politicians have fun with our money. Watch the video, watch the controversy. I'm gonna do that. I haven't already, so this is homework for me too for the weekend. Of course, no agenda. Of course, Joe Rogan. And also, you have to listen to El Sonidito. Thank you to the writer that told me that this was a hit on Mexico and sounds like this. And also, you have to learn how to dance it. It has its own dance, so amazing. I'm gonna practice this, of course. And as you go to the end of this video, I'm gonna give you today's present. Today's present is Susana Alles YouTube channel. This is about Kabbalah. I had no idea whatsoever about this, but now I know a little bit. Any case, with Brian Tracy and all the books I already written, well, I knew about the wisdom that is behind this Kabbalah thing, but right now I have a better idea. So if you want to know what I am into right now, well, I'm watching all these videos. You can go there, you can order them with popularity, and I'm watching the 147 videos, all of them, because she's going to tell you things that we already know, like that with your mind you can create the circumstances so that you desire is going to come into fruition. So very interesting things. And also I like Susana a lot because she's like us. She wants to share, she wants to make you happier, she wants you to wake up, she wants you to have a lot of money if that's what you want, etc, etc. So I'm having fun with her. I'm just learning a lot, and I wanted to share this with you and congratulate Susana Alles for her work. Thank you very much. And in our famous cat section, today I found this picture that I just lost. This is of a cat. Well, I lost it already. No problem. We're going to find another cat for today's section, and it's gonna be this one. This is a dog. Yes, but it's trapped. By whom? By himself? No, by a cat. Bad cat out there. Well, that was today's cat. Finally, I want to talk to you about the Translator, an app that we did in the past, and that was because of Bybit, the credit debit card that you have for crypto. Any case, if you want to use a card and you want to spend your stable coins, for example, with a card, I would recommend Bybit. You have the link in the description below. Keep on learning about AI in our channel, Inteligencia Artificial with Rodrigo Arnedo. Today, I'm going to release a new video. And if you want to learn more, of course, here on Noticias Bitcoin, Rodrigo Arnedo, fan on the right crypto news, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the ball!